Hello, welcome to my service. This is case number 628. This is the MacBook Pro A2159. So basically, the laptop wasn't turned on or it's not taking any voltages, and basically we check on the main board there were short circuits on the main power rail, so we find the faulty component and replace it. So now it's working perfect. So one of the capacitor and diode was shorted. This one got replaced, and voila, there's a brand new MacBook again. So if you have the same issue, your laptop wasn't turned on, or any other error, feel free to contact us at this service. That's it for this video. See you next time. Bye bye.